Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be discussing a case of a phacoemulsification and a case of soft intumescent cataract. Side ports are made with the help of MVR blade and staining of the anterior capsule is done with the help of trypan blue dye. I cannot leave the dye for more than 20 to 30 seconds. I usually leave it for around 6 to 7 seconds. Now the dye is washed with balanced salt solution and visco is injected into the anterior chamber. It should not be overfilled or underfilled. It should be adequately filled. Now the capsular access is initiated with the help of cystitome made with 26 gauge needle. And we need to remember that uh, these type of capsular access flaps have a tendency to go at the periphery. So the force applied, it should be more of a tangential rather than the centripetal to prevent the rex's run out. Capsular access is completed and main port is made while keeping my dialer into the left side port, and a gentle hydro is done. It should be very gentle, or you can also avoid this step in these type of cataract. Now visco is injected and manual rotation of the nucleus is done. It's because I'm just a habitual of doing this step. Now let's proceed with the main part of this video, which is the phacoemulsification. So while doing the phacoemulsification, I'll be using direct vertical chop, and you need to keep in mind that after holding the nucleus, you have to come back to the foot pedal 2, which is the vacuum. Now each piece is taken one by one. The basic of the direct chop is that in a initial step, you need to hold the nucleus with the help of phaco 3, foot pedal 3 position. And once you hold it, then you have to come back to foot pedal 2, and this step is to be repeated with every chop. And finally the last piece is emulsified and aspirated. Now there are microfibers of the cortex which are very adherent to the posterior capsule and the equator part of the capsular bag. And now the irrigation and aspiration is started, and few microfibers are aspirated with the help of aspiration cannula. And after some time, I realized that there is a dense PC plug at the periphery of the bag. And here, what I'm trying to do is just polishing the posterior capsule uh, at the dense plaques, which is present at the peripheral part of the posterior capsule. And now the hydroimplantation of the IOL is done, and it is then dialed into the bag with the help of aspiration cannula. So the case is done. Thank you for watching the video.